Hello, today I'm in Skoda Rapid. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings. In the beginning, let's take a look at the screen display and enter setup. Enter sound, and now you can manage volume, maximum switch on volume, announcements volume, volume adjustment, entertainment fading, Bluetooth audio between loud, medium and quiet, and then you can go to balance and fader, adjust it manually. You can manage equalizer, enable or disable touchscreen tone, Skoda surround, and virtual subwoofer. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.